Welcome to Your Inside Information. You are an Amazon seller. I'm CJ Rosenbaum, and today I'm going to be telling you about how to handle plans of action, Amazon appeals, when it comes to restricted product suspensions, restricted product account suspensions, and restricted product listing suspensions. Before we get to how to handle restricted product suspensions, you have to hear about Retail Now and Nicole's incredible company. You have got to check out retailminded.com. Their content services for Amazon sellers in all retail all over the country is off the charts. Go to the website, sign up for their newsletter. The content in their newsletter, I read it every single time. It is absolutely fantastic. I love Nicole. She is one of the most brilliant businesswomen I have ever met. Nicole has an incredible slogan for all of you engaged in retail: capture, keep, and gain. Capture, keep, and gain. These are three words you must remember if you're going to be a successful retailer on Amazon or any place else. So please check out retailminded.com. Restricted product suspensions, and it doesn't matter whether it's an account suspension or a listing suspension, there are three huge things you need to know about. Number one, for restricted product suspension, your plan of action has to follow the basic structure of every other plan of action. Your root cause, your immediate corrective action, and the long-term or the systemic changes to your business so that you can persuade Amazon staff in India that it will not have any more problems with you. We have entire videos, articles, and a book about how you can write your own plan of action, how to do it. And on the screen right now are copies of our books, links to our YouTube videos. You can do plans of action yourself, or if you want the world's best writers when it comes to Amazon appeals and plans of action, you can hire us, but I want to give you the information. Second step when it comes to restricted product suspensions is removing the item. If you created the listing, we strongly suggest that you take down that listing. If somebody else created the listing, then you certainly want to remove yourself from it and recall your inventory if you have been selling through FBA. If you merchant fulfill, just taking yourself off the listing is enough. If you're FBA, remove yourself from the listing and also recall your inventory. Third thing you need to know about Amazon's errors. And you can rest assured that the information I'm giving you is entirely accurate because I went to India. I literally went to India, stood outside Amazon's office buildings, and interviewed dozens of Amazon staff. Here are a few pictures of me and Amazon staff in India. And interview after interview, all without Amazon's permission, I obtained inside information. And Arthur, one of our incredible video editors, have created an entire playlist of videos of inside information from India. I want to let you know what I learned about Amazon's errors. Number one, you want to avoid them at all costs. For example, if you put Cuban in a listing, Amazon's algorithm regarding Cuban cigars may pick you up. If you put in the words play money, Amazon may pick that up as if you're selling counterfeit money. And there's a whole host of other issues where you want to try and avoid certain verbiage, like any medical terms. Avoid them like the plague so that the algorithms never pick it up. So here's how Amazon works. Amazon creates algorithms that generate reports. Those reports are then given to actual human beings. It's not all bots. It's not all automated. They create algorithms. The algorithms spit out reports, and those reports go to people. Those people are mainly in India who then review those reports and decide who they're going to suspend and what listings they're going to suspend. So if Amazon has made a mistake and tagged you and caught you in its net, your plan of action needs to address that. Follow the format, but explain how the product you are selling is not restricted at all. And you can also take screenshots of all the other sellers that is selling the same exact product and Amazon's not doing anything about it. Thank you for joining me for today's AmazonSellersLawyer.com Inside Information.